Hi, I'm Vicki Davis, Martin County Supervisor of Elections. The 2014 election cycle is underway, and I would encourage all registered voters to make sure you are election ready. Because Florida is a no-excuse state, voting by mail is an option available to all registered voters. And you can now request to receive your ballots by mail through the 2016 elections. Here's how you can request your ballot. Either call the Elections Office at 772-288-5637, visit our website at martinvotes.com, or complete the postcard recently mailed to each registered voter's home. If you are requesting to vote by mail, remember, ballots cannot be forwarded according to Florida law. Make sure you are election ready. Join our team in 2014 and request your vote by mail ballot today.